Welcome everyone. Tonight I am cooking some delicious chicken soup. These are the ingredients that I am using. I'm using some regular onions, white onions, green onions, carrots, some white potatoes, sweet potatoes. I have some chicken noodles over there, some thyme, and those are the seasoning, which is salt, black pepper, garlic powder. And I have the pot boiling, so now I am going to put the chicken to cook. Now that the chicken is cooking, I am going to go and prepare the ingredients. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to put in the white onions now. I want the onions to cook for a long time so that it will give me that oniony flavor that I am looking for. If I can get the onions to cook, like more or less dissolve, you know, if I can, that would be nice. I put the garlic in, and now I'm putting in the potatoes and the carrots. Potatoes and carrots are in, so now I'm going to put in the green onions for the flavor. Okay, leave it for about 15 minutes and then I'll be back. I have a cup of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. I am going to make some small dumplings, which we call spinners, to go into my delicious chicken soup. Okay, so I am going to put a bit of water. What you do, you make a dough. Usually use your hands, but I don't want to use my hands right now. Okay, so now I have the dough. I put a little bit too much water into the flour, so I had to add more flour to it. So it's about a cup and a half now instead of 1 cup. Okay, so now I'm going to make the spinners. Just roll it and it comes out like that, and drop it into the soup. Just a pinch, a little piece, roll it, comes out like that, into the soup. Okay, so now I have the spinners in. I'm going to put the thyme in now, and then I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes, or say about 5 to 15 minutes. I'm going to check it and see when it's done. I put a bit of thyme in it, a bit of garlic powder and black pepper. So I'm going to leave it to simmer down, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm putting in just a bit of noodles. I don't want too much, just a bit. It's done cooking now. Oh my goodness, please follow the instructions. I tasted it and it's, oh my gosh, it's awesome. It tastes really good. Please follow the instructions and yours will come out exactly like mine. This should go down as one of the best chicken soup ever. Please subscribe to my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Yes, my friends, please subscribe to my channel. And this is a delicious chicken soup. The ingredients will be in the description box. Enjoy. See you next time.